LiteMol is a new viewer, and it's designed to visualize macromolecular structures quickly and easily online. So it's been developed by David Senal at SciTech in Brno. He's the man on the left here. And he's been working alongside my colleague Mandar from the PDBe in order to create this viewer. And what it is it's a browser-based online structure viewer. It's very lightweight, and the emphasis is really on the speed of use. However, because of the links to us at PDBe, there's also a lot of additional features that we've been able to incorporate into the viewer. Something else that David has worked on is the coordinate server. This is an added extra onto LiteMol, and it is improving the speed even further by only serving you data that you need and speeding things up even further. So why might you want to use LiteMol? Well, there's obviously a plethora of different structure viewers, and there are a number of desktop structure viewers that are very powerful, putting programs like PyMol, Coot, and Chimera. And the main problem with these are that they aren't web-based. These require download into your desktop. There are, however, a lot of online structure viewers. You have things like JSMol, MolMil, and NGL. Often these have a very specific function. They do a particular job well. Usually they rarely handle very large structures. So what LiteMol aims to do is fill in this gap to enable you to do a range of different things with your structure viewing and handle very large structures in an online viewer. So as I've said, LiteMol is fast, and it's also interactive, and you can use this within your browser very easily. There are a number of different options for visualization. So you can view polymers in the common model views that you'd see in other visualization software. You can view it in cartoons, surface, ball and stick, and other modes like this. We also have a number of additional annotations on top of this. You can view assemblies as a structure instead of the asymmetric unit. You can also see symmetry, and we also have other structure annotations such as validation and family domains in there as well. We also have the option to display density maps for X-ray crystallography entries, and also display cryo-EM data on your structure. Mainly we use PDBe entries, but if you want to load your own MMSIF file, you can do this through LiteMol as well. There is also the option to integrate LiteMol into your own website as well. The coordinate server is something else that has been developed alongside LiteMol, and this is another added improvement on LiteMol to add real-time delivery to what you're seeing. So it only takes the bits of the molecule that you want to look at and displays them for you. And if you want to find out more about how you could use the coordinate server, for instance, at looking at ligand binding sites, you can see this at pdbe.org. I'd just like to illustrate how LiteMol handles large structures with this video example here. So this is entry 4V88, which has 2 ribosomes in the asymmetric unit, which is a really, really big structure. So this is loading over 400,000 atoms and doing this directly in your browser. As you can see, it's already loaded it up, and that took less than 10 seconds. For context, I did the same using the fetch command in PyMol, and it took 16 seconds. And I also tried it in Chimera, and the program actually crashed. So this shows how well LiteMol is handling these large structures.